Collect exhibitor content and track your booth visits with Digital Backpack, powered by CDS. Your time at the event is limited. Use your free digital backpack to collect content and connections to share with your team, without needing to take home-printed materials. Anytime you visit a booth that scans your badge, or you scan a digital backpack QR code to collect content, it's all added to your personalized digital backpack. Add content in 3 easy steps. First, use your phone's camera to scan a digital backpack QR code and tap the link that pops up. Next, use your phone's camera to scan your badge, or you can enter your last name and badge number. The content connected to the QR code you just scanned will be added to your digital backpack. Now you can keep scanning QR codes to collect more content. You'll also receive an email with a link to access your digital backpack, which contains the content you scanned to collect, plus your exhibit tracker. Your exhibit tracker lists the exhibitors who scanned your badge using a lead capture app. It also contains additional materials you didn't scan at the event, but are available for you to view and collect even after the show is over. Collect the most content and connections possible in one convenient place with your digital backpack, powered by CDS.